Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can redeem CheapOair points. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to redeem our CheapOair points, we first need to come onto the CheapOair website. Once we are on here, we can go up to the top right and just click on this button that says help. From there, we will see a whole bunch of options, but we just want to go to the left-hand side, click on Promotion, Rewards and Gift Cards, and then click on Earn or Redeem Reward Points. From there, we can click Point Redemption, and we'll be taken to this page here. Now, we can open up this frequently asked questions to learn a bit more about it. So it says, if you're signed in, you can use your points automatically to get a discount on hotel bookings, or redeem points on a CheapOair e-gift card to buy flights on CheapOair. So in order to actually redeem our points, all we have to do is go back up to the top of the page and then click on this Learn More button here. And then from there, we simply just need to log in to our Club Miles account by clicking this Sign In button here. And then we can use either our email address, Facebook or Google account to log in. And then once you have logged into your account, this page here will then turn into a place where you can redeem your points and you'll be able to use them for whatever you want. So that's exactly how you can redeem your CheapOair points. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.